Top 5 Spoon Rest. Number 5. NJCharms Ceramic Spoon Rest. The NJCharms Ceramic Spoon Rest is a stylish and functional solution to keep your kitchen clean and organized. Perfectly sized at 8.5 inch by 3.9 inch, it accommodates spoons, ladles, spatulas, and other cooking utensils, preventing grease from messing up countertops. Crafted from high-quality, lead and cadmium-free ceramics, it's microwave and dishwasher safe, with a durable glaze that resists cracking and crazing. Its smooth surface makes cleaning effortless, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. Ideal for countertops, cooktops, and coffee stations, this rustic and modern farmhouse design complements any kitchen decor. It also makes a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or holidays, adding charm and practicality to any home. Number 4. OTOTO Spoon Rest with Lid Holder. The OTOTO Spoon Rest with Lid Holder is a compact and versatile kitchen tool designed to keep countertops and stovetops tidy. Its 2-in-1 design accommodates multiple or oversized utensils and features a convenient wire for securely holding large and small pot lids while cooking. With heat-resistant silicone feet, the stainless steel rest stays cool even on stovetops, ensuring safety during use. The lid holder easily folds down for compact storage when not in use. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning, this sleek and practical spoon rest is a space-saving solution for organized and mess-free cooking, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Number 3. VanlonPro Stainless Steel Spoon Rest. The VanlonPro Stainless Steel Spoon Rest is a large, durable, and stylish solution for keeping your kitchen mess-free. Measuring 9.8 inch by 3.7 inch, it accommodates various utensils like spoons, ladles, spatulas, and whisks, making it an essential tool for cooking, baking, or grilling. Its spoon-shaped design effectively catches drips and drops, protecting your countertops and stovetops. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel with a smooth, matte finish, it is lead-free, cadmium-free, and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. This heavy-duty utensil holder blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor and ensures long-lasting use. Backed by excellent after-sales service, it's a practical and reliable addition to your kitchen. Number 2. OTOTO Silicone Spoon Rest for Stove Top. The OTOTO Silicone Utensil Rest for Stove Top is a heat-resistant, non-slip kitchen gadget that combines functionality with fun. Designed by the award-winning OTOTO Studio, this quirky crab-shaped spoon holder is perfect for keeping your countertops clean while holding spoons, ladles, tongs, and other utensils. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's durable, dishwasher-safe, and resistant to rust or chipping. This spoon rest also doubles as a steam releaser, gripping pot lids with ease. Ideal as a unique housewarming or cooking gift, it adds a playful touch to any kitchen. With the utensil rest, meal prep becomes a joyful and mess-free experience, because every kitchen deserves a sprinkle of fun. Number 1. Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest is a BPA-free, heat-resistant, and durable kitchen gadget designed to keep your countertops clean and organized. With raised edges and a drip pad, it catches oil and sauce drips, ensuring a splatter-free cooking experience. Featuring 4 slots, it provides ample space to hold spoons, spatulas, ladles, tongs, and more, keeping your utensils separated while multitasking. Made from food-grade silicone, this utensil rest is non-slip and easy to clean, just toss it in the dishwasher. Perfect for enhancing kitchen efficiency, it's a durable, affordable addition to your tools and a thoughtful housewarming gift. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.